Hello and welcome to Reebok Social's guide on resizing your photos automatically using Photoshop. The first step is to pick a photo that you would like to use to set your automation up. Then head over to the Window tab and select Actions. Then hit the folder to create an area to house your new automations. Click OK and then select the plus button next to the folder. Rename this action to whatever you would like to resize your photos to, and hit Record. Then you're going to head over to the Image tab, select Image Size, and resize it to whatever size you would like your photos to be. In this case, I did 1200 by 800 for social media. Hit OK and head on over to File. Once you're in the File tab, scroll down and select Save As. Under Save As, you're going to then go down and select which file type you would like to save your photo as. I selected PNG for the quality. Hit Save, and then select whichever file size works best for you. After that, hit OK. Once you hit OK, you're going to hit the square button next to the recording button. Then, you're going to go into File, down to Automate, and select Batch. From here, you're going to see a lot of different inputs, but the ones that are most important to focus on are the destination folders where your resized images are going to end up, and on the left side, you're going to select your source folder where your original photos are going to come from. Once you have everything selected, hit OK and watch the magic happen as your photos are resized automatically. Thank you so much for watching our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.